What's up guys, how you all doing? Today I'm going to blow up Jello with firecrackers, film it in slow motion, and hopefully it's gonna look awesome. So let's check this out. I'm gonna stick a firecracker like that all the way in. Boom, just like that. And then we're gonna light it up and film it at 25,000 FPS and see what happens. Woo! Whoa, did you see that? Oh my god, Jello rain, look at this. Whoa, Jello is everywhere. This time I'm gonna blow up 4 in a row. Going to take them all out. Boom, 1. Should have got different colors, that's all they hit. Now we got 4 fireworks, stick in each one of them. And 4. And I'm gonna try to light them up as soon as I can at once and blow them up and film it at 4,000 FPS. Alright, let's go. Woo! Yeah! Alright, let's go. Woo! Yeah! Oh no, look at this camera, disgusting. Chocolate, just like this. Then I'm going to go up potassium permanganate and mix it